to get lost in yesterday, to bring back all these things. I know you love them, I know you love them, but I know that I can try again to warm your heart. Please understand, things don't stay forever. We say we want to make a change. I must admit it feels a little strange to see it in a different way. And even if it passes by, this isn't how we say goodbye. Just until next time. There's nothing wrong with shedding tears to make sure that your side is clear and bring to light all your silly fears.
It's terrific. I'm so proud of you.
Just when you forgot, maybe take the time to stop and cherish what we had instead of missing what we had. You only notice when it's gone because to satisfy what you long for, you will have to try again to fill your heart. Please understand, things don't stay forever. You know you've got to make a change. You must admit it feels a little strange to see it in a different way. And even when it passes by, that wasn't how you said goodbye. Just until next time, you'll still be through the falling tears. And now you know your side is clear. Bring to light all your silly fears.
So, what do you think about the graphics?
So I really like them, but I guess you have to see the whole result when the bike is with the whole graphics on it. So yeah, we have still some work to do, but we'll see how it works.
So it's kleine biene Maya,
Yeah, it's a bee.
but angry.
Yeah, angry bee, just like me.
And so, what is this?
Hope from Kori, that's my sponsor. And they are sponsoring me with this graphics and with this plastic kit. So I really want to say thank you for.
That company is sponsor for these graphic kits.
Yeah, that's right.
Also, you got the full new kit of
Plastics, yes. I got new black plastics. Everything was just made specially for me, and the design is also made for me how I like it. And I guess it's just gonna be alright. And then, and yeah, let's work.
That sticker is useless. Da ide tako. Ali je useless. It's no sense. You have so special handlebar. It's making you profi.
Toronto one, yeah. I had to buy a new one since you stole the old one from me.
Don't tell the lies.
Yeah, that's really, he stole my bar. The last time I had 997 and he stole that one from me, so I bought this one on sale.
So this is 99.
9. It's a smaller one.
It's for short people, yeah.
It's for short people, yeah, right. But it was on sale and you stole my
Also
old
you have
one.
special suspension going maximum up. You need to buy learning kit.
I know. I don't have the money for it.
Look, you're so short.
But I like dirt bikes.
What?
I like dirt bikes.
Dirt.
Dirt bikes.
Piece of shit. Du bist piece of shit.
Let me finish my work. Bueno, vamos a estar.